Welcome to Boldeck eLearning. In this short video, we will show you how to use the if function in the simplest form possible. So first thing, let's start with the syntax of the if function. The if function takes three arguments. Two of them are mandatory and the third one is optional. So first thing, we have the logical test. Next, we will specify the output if the result is true, and finally the output if the result is false. So we have an example here. We have Jay's company and we have some salespersons, and we need to make a performance check for these salesperson. So if the sales are less than or equal to 3,000, we will output low, while if the sales are higher than 3,000, we will output good. So how does the if function work? First of all, we have the test, and if the result of this test is true, we will output low, and if the result of this test is false, that means that we have sales higher than 3,000 and we will output good. So let's go to write the formula. Equal if, press tab. The logical test is sales less than or equal to this value here. We will use referenced cells so that maybe we will change the value of this benchmark later. We will fix that using the F4, comma. What would be the output if that was true? We will output low. And then what would be the output if that was false? That means the sales are higher than 3,000. We will output good. Okay, let's close parentheses, press enter, and double click to autofill. And there you go, we have our results shown. If you need more details about the if function, check our video reference on the top right corner. Thank you and take care.